Hi, welcome back to my channel, DP and Bits and Pieces, and I'm Jenny. So I have some diamond paintings here. I haven't actually opened them. The packet was a bit weird, the way it was bagged. This one's in a white packet. This one's like in a Ziploc bag. I don't know. And the other ones are just in normal clear packets. So what we're going to do is we're going to go one by one. I'm going to start with one of the clear ones and see what we got. Now these are supposed to be either just rhinestones or special. Oh, this one's a little bit. So it is a partial, as you can see. This is a tiny one. It's just the butterfly. I actually thought it was going to be the butterfly and the swirls, but you know what? We can do that, can't we? We'll do the swirls. I'm pretty sure I've got some black spare drills around there. This one has 7 colours. It is supposed to be a 20 by 20. Now I do have a Now, in itself, it's 19 by, I'm guessing 19. Yep, 19 by 19. So, it is tiny.
You're not biting
So that's just been folded weirdly there. I don't know. Anyway. So, that's a tiny amount of diamonds. Some pretty pinks though. And I'm going to show you a toolkit. So I'm just going to put these back the way they were, because I'm not going to do these anytime soon, but I might do that butterfly. That butterfly is tiny. Then we have this, again, is a partial. I'm hoping this is rhinestones, but I'm not too sure. This is your toolkit. Oh, okay, so I can actually feel sticky. Sticky isn't completely at the top. Oh. And it's this one. That is very pretty. And it is rhinestones and special drills. I'm curious to see what these ones are. Oh, they're just silver. Beautiful big ones. And the colours are true. So it's like golden brown, gold, silver, yellows. And I think that's just plain white. Yeah. And just white. So this is a 30 by 40 and it is 10 different rhinestones. That's going to be really pretty. I like that. Okay. I'm actually going to start from this side because this is the side that I felt that had the plastic not covering the sticky. And this is the last clear one. Your toolkit, with plastic tweezers. Then these are rhinestones and special shaped. And look at this, look at this, look at this, look how cute that is. Oh. It is a not mockingbird, what is it? Oh my goodness. I can't remember the name of this bird. Anyway, it has 17 different shapes and colors of rhinestones. It is partial, so it's just, oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of this bird. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to remember once I finish. I'm going to press stop and it's going to come to me. Okay. When I remember, I'll just probably just, you know, put it in there somewhere. Mocking, no, not mocking. Oh, anyway. Oh dear. That's going to be bugging me now the whole time. And now 2 more to go. Now this one feels tiny. We have our toolkit, and this is also rhinestones and special. And oh, it is a tiny one. Oh my goodness, what is it? Oh, look at this. It's my little boy. He's so cute. This is really cool. I like this. And yep. Put him aside. And now, I don't get this. Okay, so it's in a very big Ziploc bag. No toolkit. Very, very flat canvas. Okay, very blue. I can't even remember what this is. Normal drills. And this is, oh, okay, I remember this one. That's why it's very blue. This has 11 different colors. It is a 30 by 40 and it's a partial dragon. That is very cool. Very weird how they sent it through. Very weird. But I got it. I guess nothing else matters. And that was a very short and sweet video, because that is all I have for you right now until I get more. No, I'm like, I have more, but not for this video. Hope you have a great day. You take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.